What I wish I knew at 10 instead of 20. Sugar gliders are the coolest pets ever. These tiny marsupials are not just cute, they're like little acrobats. With their big eyes and gliding wings, they can soar from your shoulder to your couch in a heartbeat. Plus, they're super social. They love to hang out in your hoodie pocket or climb around your room. But wait, it gets better. Sugar gliders bond closely with their humans, almost like having a tiny, furry best friend. They even have unique personalities. Some are playful, some are cuddly, and some are just plain silly. Got a busy life? No problem. These nocturnal cuties are awake when you get home from school or work, ready to play. And feeding them is a breeze. They love fruits, veggies, and even insects. So if you're looking for a pet that's fun, affectionate, and downright adorable, sugar gliders are the way to go. Give them a try and you'll have a friend for life.